what are these cybersecurity countermeasure? We discussed some countermeasure on the network security side. How about the cybersecurity countermeasures? Software-based technology safeguard. Software-based, including programs and services that protect the.
Like software.
Sorry?
Like software.
Yeah. And the other services operating on the workstation, portable devices, and server. These are the several software-based technologies used to safeguard the organization. Hardware-based technology safeguard, for example, hardware-based technologies are appliances. They are installed within the network facilities. They include the firewall, intrusion detection, intrusion prevention, and content filtering system. So these are some countermeasures. Technology, we can use the technology. For example, VPN, network-based technology. Countermeasures also include the network-based technology. Virtual VPN, virtual private network, is our big topic. IPsec technology, very, very, very critical, important. How we can secure and achieve this. Actually, we build our own IPsec tunnel. So virtual private network is a secure virtual private used to public network. So it's actually idea is using you create the same network, private network, but using the internet. The security of the VPN lies in the encryption, packet content between the endpoint to define the VPN. Network NAC, I think we already discovered, require a set of check before allowing a device to connect to the network. I think I already explained you. Some common checks include the data antivirus, software or operating system installed. Wireless access point security includes the implementation of the authentication and encryption, because data is always in the motion. Okay, technology point of view, we can use cloud-based technology safeguard. Technology countermeasure now also include the cloud-based technology. For example, SaaS, if you heard about SaaS, software as a services like Dropbox, Box, G Drive, these are all SaaS-based application, allow user to gain access to the application software and database. Cloud provider manage the infrastructure. Users store data on the cloud provider data and the user server. Infrastructure as a services provide in virtualization computing resources over the internet. Somebody was asking me, maybe of the cloud. These are the terminology we will be using in the cloud. The provider hosts the hardware, software, server, and storage. So SaaS, you just get the application, okay, and you store your information. Infrastructure as a service, which will provide you server, hardware, software, server, and storage. You don't need to buy any computer physically. It's like a pay-as-you-go model. Virtual security processes run on the virtual environment, such as the pre-packaged hardening devices and operating system.
They have the PaaS as well, right? Platform as a service.
Yeah, platform as a service. That's the different thing. It's more on the cloud. This is security. Security awareness program is extremely important for organization and an employee maybe. So now they are saying what else we can do. We can continuously provide awareness and education. Several ways to perform the training program. Okay, security awareness job requirement. Conduct an in-person training session. Complete online training session. Security awareness should be ongoing process since new threats and techniques are evolving every day. Policies and procedure, objectives of the company that include rules of the behavior. Okay, these objective rules, requirement, collective information, standard help on the IT staff maintaining consistently. Okay. Managing framework. Okay. So what are the frameworks we have? I think that's maybe interesting to see.